Chennai is home to several top manufacturing companies across various industries. These companies are leaders in their respective fields and have a significant presence in the city, contributing to its manufacturing sector. In the automotive industry, companies such as Ashok Leyland, TVS Motor Company, Hyundai Motor India, Ford India Private Limited, Royal Enfield, Daimler India Commercial Vehicles, and Renault Nissan Technology and Business Centre India Patalikat are key players. They have established a strong foothold in Chennai and are known for their innovative and high-quality automotive products. In the engineering and construction sector, Larsen Toubro LT is a prominent name, while Tractors and Farm Equipment Limited, TAFE, is a leader in agricultural machinery. TI Cycles of India is another major player in the manufacturing of cycles. And Accessories. Chennai also boasts companies like Madras Rubber Factory, MRF, in the production of tyres and rubber products, Saint Gobain India Private Limited in glass and ceramic materials, Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited, CPCL in the oil and gas industry, Orchid Pharma in pharmaceuticals, and Britannia Industries in the food processing sector. These companies not only contribute to the economic growth of Chennai, but also play a crucial role in shaping the manufacturing landscape of the city. Their innovative products and services have made them key players in their respective industries, further establishing Chennai as a manufacturing hub in India.